Good morning, children. In the live class, I had revised backward count with you. We had done backward count from 10 to 1, 20 to 10. Now we had written in the copy 10 to 1. But now in this video, I am going to tell you backward count from 20 to 10, and this you will write in your copy. Okay, so I told you a small short story. There were two children, Isha and Adi. They were playing. They were climbing the stairs, going here and there, jumping. And Isha was standing on the step of 17 number on the stair, and Adi was standing on the step of 12 number, and they were playing. They were saying ki who climbs the stair first, let's see. But in between, their mother called them and they had to stop and they go to their mother. So tell me, they will climb the stairs or they will come down? They will come down because they have to go to their mother. So coming down from the stairs means backward count. 17 on 17, Isha is standing, and when she has to climb down, she will come on 16, then 15, then 14, then 13, then 12, then 11. And Adi is standing on step 12, then he will come down on 11 and 10. So backward counting means coming from top to down or climbing down the stairs. Okay, so let's see the copy work of backward count. This is the copy work. Backward count 20. Now which number will come here? 21? No. 19, then 18, then 17, then 16, then 15, then 14, then 13, then 12, then 10. And these are 2 digits number. You will write in 2 checks. And when you will draw margin line, after that you have to leave 1 check. Then you have to write the number. Then you have to leave another 1 line and then 1 check. Then leave 1 line and 1 check. Then leave 1 line and 1 check. Like this you will write. Okay. And 2 digits always in 2 checks. Okay, children. Now next I am going to tell you about before, after and between numbers. Now today we are going to do before numbers. Not all before, after and between. Only we are going to do today before numbers. Children, before, after, between means position. It tells the position. Now if you say that my friend Arun is standing before me in the line, it means Arun is standing pehle, aapke pehli. Okay, now there are, you can see, two things here, Fevistick and pencil. Fevistick is before the pencil. Fevistick is before the pencil. The position of Fevistick is before the pencil. Okay, now there is eraser and ruler. So eraser is before the ruler. Eraser is, the position of eraser is before the ruler. So before, after and between tells about the position. Okay, so today we are going to do what comes before. Okay, now see, this is a picture of caterpillar, and here the numbers are written from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now see, which number comes before 9? 8. Which number comes before 8? 7. Which number comes before 7? 6. Which number comes before 6? 5. Which number comes before 5? 4. Which number comes before 4? 3. Which number comes before 3? 2. Which number comes before 2? 1. And which number comes before 1? 0. Okay. Now, see here. Again, With this number line I am going to tell you. Now here is a dash, number 1. Now what comes before 1? See, this is 1. What comes before 1? 0. What comes before 1? 0. So you will write here 0. Always remember that there is dash before the number. जो भी number होगा उसके पहले dash होगा, उसके बाद में dash नहीं होगा. So see the number 5. What comes before 5? 4. Before 5, 4. You will not go here. This is after 5. This is before 5. So which number comes before 5? 4. Now 8. 8 is here. Which number comes before 8? You will not go this side. You will come this side. Which number comes before 8? 7. Which number comes before 8? 7. Now 4 number. 4 is here. Which number comes before 4? 3. Which number comes before 4? 3. Now 7. Which number comes before 7? 6. Which number comes before 7? 6. Now here 6 is given. Which number comes before 6? 5. Which number comes before 6? 5. 6 के पहले का number 5. Always there is dash before the number. जो number होगा उसके पहले एक dash होगा, उसके बाद में नहीं होगा. Now tell me, this is number and the dash is before the number. देखो ये number है, इसके बाद में dash नहीं है, इसके पहले dash है. So which number comes before 3? 2. Which number comes before 3? 2. Which number comes before 3? 2. Up see this number. This is okay. See this number. This is dash and this is the number 7. This is 7 number and there is dash before the number. So which number comes before 7? 6. Which number comes before 7? 6. Now again one number is there. 2. And the dash is before the 2. Here. Which number comes before 2? Which number comes before 2? 1. है ना? So always dash is before the number. Dash is before the number and you have to climb down. Don't go up. Climb down. पीछे आना है. ठीक है? Before में पीछे आना है and backward also. You have to climb down. पीछे number आना है. आगे नहीं जाना है. Okay? Now children, I am going to give you copy work. In the copy, I have given before numbers. You have to write on your own. Okay, how you will write? You will write date, draw the margin line. In the first line, leave 2 or 3 checks. It is up to you. And write the heading before numbers and then leave one line. Then leave the first check after the margin line. Put a dash with the color pencil blue, write the number and write the before number. 8, before 8 what comes you have to write here. Then you have to leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 checks. Then you have to write here, you have to draw here dash in 2 checks. Because here I am going to give you double digit number. So here the double digit number is 12. What comes before 12? आपको यहाँ लिखना है. Okay. Here I am writing 15. What comes before 15? Here I am writing 18. What comes before 18? Then I am writing here 11. What comes 11? What comes before 11? Then I am giving here 19. What comes before 19? And then I am writing here number 16. Which number comes before 16? I am writing here 2 digits, so you have to write the before number in 2 squares. So that is why I have underlined in 2 squares. Okay, here are single digit numbers, here are double digit numbers. Before single digit number you have to write single digits, before double digit numbers you have to write double digit. Okay, children, and you have to underline or dash, put a dash in 2 checks. Okay, don't forget, after doing the work, drawing finish line with the red color and count the checks and leave. I want proper work as I have done. So you have to count the checks and accordingly leave them. Okay, we will meet in the next class with the next topic, that is after numbers. Okay, bye.